Hello friends, this is Agnes from Agnes Paper and Crafts, and today we can see about packing our frame quilling artworks. Before going on to the topic, if you're new here, then this channel is all about quilling. You can find how to make quill greeting cards and some other tips and tricks related to quilling. So subscribe and click the bell icon to get updates of my new videos. Once framing is done, I will always suggest to send them in a box, whether the frame has a glass or not. This frame here has glass in the front. There are other frames that don't have glass but have acetate, which is somewhat like a thicker plastic. Whatever be the frame type, I would always recommend sending them in a box. Here I am using an old toy box for packing. I have cut open the box and inverted it so it looks better and is an eco-friendly way to pack. If you would like to send it in a premium packaging or give a more professional look, then there are lots of packaging services who also print our brand logo on the boxes. I then use bubble wrap. I have taken a piece of bubble wrap. You can notice that this is the side with the bubbles, and I make sure that the bubbles lay over the glass. In my frame, there is a depth between the glass and the top of the frame. So I fold the bubble wrap twice to make it thick. Always remember that bubble side should be touching the glass. Then these are the side cap-like structures for the frame, which I got along with the frame while I bought it. I used to save them so I can reuse them while packing. I fix them on all the corners of the frame. This protects the corners and also the bubble wrap which we just placed. In this frame, you can see I have used tape along the sides of the bubble wrap, just a different variation. Coming back to our frame, I use small pieces of wrap on the sides, then take a long bubble wrap and wind around the frame. The point is to cover all the sides and corners of our frame. I usually save the bubble wraps from my earlier purchases, so I reuse them for my packing. Once covering is done, add tape to seal. Since I'm packing this for this video, I'm just using rubber band instead of using tape. Once we are all done, we can put the frame into the box. Always make sure the frame with bubble wrap fits tightly into the box. This prevents moving or shaking of the frame and so avoids damages. If you feel any extra space, add few more bubble wrap or some crumpled paper in the package. You can seal this box with tape or use twine or ribbon to tie up or add a sticker of your logo and send to your customers. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, please comment below. And also, if you have any other suggestions to this, please leave them in the comments so that it would be useful for all others.